everyone, my name is Aisha and my friend.
My name is Muhammad Huzaifi.
Today we are going to show you how to install CPU and CPU fan on a motherboard.
To install, you must have a CPU and CPU fan. Firstly, be careful with holding the CPU because it is important, just like a brain for PC.
Open the CPU lock. Put the CPU right here. And make sure position is right, then lock. Finally, put the CPU fan on the motherboard.
Thank you for watching.
Enjoy the video.